Hello everyone, welcome back to English Teacher Education. Today we are going to learn a very important grammar topic in English, countable and uncountable nouns. This lesson is perfect for beginners. By the end of this video, you will know what countable nouns are, you will know what uncountable nouns are, you will learn how to use articles a, an, some, any, much, many. You will learn how to avoid common mistakes. So, if you are ready, let's begin. What is a noun? First, let's remember. A noun is a name of a person, a place, a thing, or an idea. A person belongs to a group such as teachers, boys, girls. There are many types of places, such as schools, parks, cities. A thing can be something like a book, a table, a phone, a notebook. An idea, as a noun, refers to something abstract, not physical. Ideas can be something like love, happiness, freedom, peace, and so on. Now, nouns can be divided into two groups: countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Let's start with countable nouns. Countable nouns are nouns we can count. That means we say 1, 2, 3, and they have singular and plural forms. Example: 1 apple, 2 apples. 1 book, 3 books. 1 chair, 4 chairs. 1 student, many students. So if you ask how many, then the noun is countable. Example: how many books are there? And how many students are in the class? Using a and an with countable nouns. We use a or an with singular countable nouns. We use a before a consonant sound. For example, a book, a dog, a teacher. We use an before a vowel sound. For example, an apple, an egg, an orange. Remember, we cannot use a or an with plural nouns. The books and apples. Correct is a book, 2 books. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the second part of this lesson. Bye.